Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix flashlight not working problem on Android. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Search battery. Tap on battery option. Make sure your battery is not low. Some phone disable the flashlight if battery is below 50 or 10%. Step 2. Again open your phone setting. Tap on System Apps Updater. You make sure your system apps is up to date. All system apps are up to date. Step 3. Scroll down. Tap on Apps. Tap on Manage Apps. Search Camera Application. Tap on Camera Application. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Camera Cache Data. Go back. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps. Then your LED light or flashlight not working. Then your LED light may be damaged. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.